I got my Darn Good yarn box in the mail today. Now let me open this up. This one is box 9. Oh wow, that is neat. Okay, so we've got a number 2. It is Twist Sport Weight Silk Yarn Dragon Tail. That is really cute. Wow, it's got basically every color you can think of in there. See pink and brown and yellow and blue and purple. Got something else down in here. That's really cool. Oh, cool. Some laundry soap. Now, one thing to remember when you are using, especially hand spun yarn, you will not regret using a special laundry detergent for it. It will help the fibers last longer. So that is awesome. Awesome. And yes, let's see what the pattern is. Okay. Hold this up if you want more information about the items. And there it talks about the artisans who made it. Okay, here is the knit pattern. Really cute little fingerless gloves. Let's see if the crochet pattern, there it is. Awesome. Okay, that's it. This is box 9. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. There are also special links in the video description below if you would like more information about Darn Good Yarn.